This week we're looking at ivy, Hedera helix. I know, ivy isn't that sexy, but for sure, ivy is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to supporting wildlife. Actually feeds 100 pollinators. It also feeds at the larval stage, caterpillars and other plant-eating insects. 106 of those, including the holly blue and red admiral, 60 macro moths, including the nonconformist, the satellite, the green brindled crescent, the cetaceous Hebrew character. Then we've got another 43 other phytophagous insects, recorded to feed 206 insects, both pollinators and plant-eating insects.